Technology and Livelihood Education. Food Preparation. Week 6 Part 2. Our topic is Type of Baked Products. Cakes, quick breads and yeast bread. Look at each baked products. Tell whether it is a pie, pastry of a cookie. Different types of baked products. We already discussed about the pies, pastries, and cookies. Today we will discuss about the cakes, quick bread, and yeast bread. Cakes. Cakes. A cake is a soft, sweet-baked product made from flour, sugar, eggs, fat and leavening agents, often enjoyed on special occasions or as everyday treats. Types of cakes. Layer cake, made with layers of cake and filling or frosting. Sponge cake. Light and airy cake made with eggs, sugar and flour. 3. Pound cake. Rich, dense cake made with equal amounts of butter, sugar, eggs and flour. 4. Cupcake. Small individual cakes, perfect for one serving. Cheesecake. Made with cream cheese, eggs and sugar on a crust or by itself. Chiffon cake. Very light and fluffy cake made with oil and egg whites. Why do people eat cakes? 1. For celebrations. Cakes are traditions in birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, and other occasions. Cakes make every celebration more special and memorable. No matter the occasion is, a cake shares happiness, brings people together and creates lasting memories. 2. It brings joy. The sweetness and delicious taste of cake can instantly lift our mood and make us happy. 3. It brings people together. Sharing cake creates moments of connection, strengthening bonds with family and friends. 4. It brings comfort. Cake can be comforting during stressful or tiring times. It feels like a little treat for ourselves. 5. It gives energy. Cakes provide quick energy because of their carbohydrates and sugars. 6. Cakes is one way of expressing your love. Giving or baking a cake is a way of showing care, gratitude, and love to others. Six. Cakes is one way of expressing your love. Giving or baking a cake is a way of showing care, gratitude, and love to others. Classification of cakes. Cakes are classified based on the type of fat used and the method of leavening used. Number 1. Shortened cakes, butter or oil cakes. It is made with fat such as butter, margarine, shortening or oil. Rich, moist, and tender. The leavening agent is baking powder or baking soda. Examples are butter cake, chocolate cake, and red velvet cake. 2. Unshortened cakes or foam cakes. It is made with little or no fat. Light and airy. Leavened by the expansion of beaten eggs and egg whites. 3. Chiffon cakes. It is made of oil and beaten egg whites. Moist like shortened cakes but light like foam cakes. Leavened by baking powder and beaten egg whites. Basic steps in making a cake. 1. Prepare. Gather and measure all the ingredients. 2. Mix. Combine ingredients using the proper mixing method. 3. Pour. Pour the batter into a greased and floured pan. 4. Bake. Bake at the right temperature for the right time. 5. Cool and decorate. Let it cool, then decorate and enjoy. Tips for a perfect cake. Measure ingredients accurately. Follow the recipe and mixing method. Do not open the oven door too early. Cool completely before frosting. And use quality ingredients for the best tastes. Did you know that the word cake comes from the Old Norse word kaka, which means round baked food? Cakes have been enjoyed for thousands of years around the world. The following are the main ingredients for making cakes: flour, sugar, eggs, fat, butter, oil, leavening agents, baking powder, baking soda, liquid, milk, water and flavorings. Quick breads. Quick bread is a type of bread that is made without a yeast. Instead, it uses chemical leavening agents like baking powder or baking soda to rise. It is quick and easy to prepare, no waiting time for the dough to rise. The following are the examples of quick breads. Key ingredients in making quick breads: flour, liquid like milk, buttermilk, water, or juice. Sugar, eggs, fat like butter or oil. Salt, leavening agents are baking powder or baking soda. Flavorings like vanilla or cinnamon. Add-ins like fruit, nuts, chocolates. How quick breads are made. 1. Mix dry ingredients like flour, sugar, leaveners, and salt. 2. Mix wet ingredients, the liquid, eggs, fat and flavorings. 3. Combine the wet and dry ingredient, mix just until moistened. Do not overmix. 4. Pour batter into a greased or lined pan. 5. Bake until golden and toothpick comes out clean. 5. Cool in pan for few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Benefits of a quick bread. Easy and quick to make. No yeast or proofing time. Uses simple ingredients. Great for breakfast, snacks, or gifts. Versatile. Sweet or savory options. Tips for success in making quick breads. Measure the ingredients accurately. Do not overmix. Bake at the right temperature. Then cool properly for the best texture. Yeast bread. Yeast bread is a type of bread made using yeast, which is a living microorganism that makes the dough rise. It produces a soft, light and airy texture with a pleasant flavor and aroma. How yeast works. Yeast eats sugar, then it produces gas, or carbon dioxide. The gas gets trapped in the dough, that makes the dough rise and becomes light and airy. Types of yeast bread. White bread. Whole wheat bread. French bread. Italian bread, ciabatta. Brioche. Cinnamon raisin bread. Rolls. Buns. Baguettes and pandesal. Other common types of yeast bread. Dinner rolls. Parker House rolls. Pretzels. Focaccia. Sourdough, and rye bread. The process of making yeast bread. 1. Prepare the ingredients. Measure and prepare all the needed ingredients. 2. Activate the yeast. Dissolve yeast and a little sugar in warm water of milk. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. 4. Combine flour, sugar, salt and the activated yeast mixture. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. 4. Knead the dough. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth, elastic and not sticky. 5. First rise. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. 6. Punch down. Gently punch down the dough to release excess air. 7. Shape the dough. Shape the dough into your desired form. Loaf, rolls, braids. 8. Second rise. Place in a greased pan, cover and let it rise again for 30 to 60 minutes until puffy. 9. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. 10. Bake the bread. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. 11. Cool the bread. Remove from the pan and let it cool on a wire rack. 12. Enjoy your bread. Your homemade yeast bread is ready to enjoy. Characteristics of good yeast bread. It is well rise and light in texture. Soft, airy and not too dense. Even shape with smooth crust. Pleasant aroma and flavor. Golden brown crust and moist and tender crumb. Tips for success of making yeast bread. Use warm, not hot water. Ideal temperature is 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Allow enough time for rising. Patience is the key. Measure ingredients accurately. Keep dough covered to prevent drying. And do not open the oven door often while baking. Storage tips. Short term, 1 to 2 days. Store in a plastic bag or airtight container at room temperature. Long term. Slice and freeze. Thaw at room temperature or warm in the oven. Why yeast bread is good for you. It provides energy from carbohydrates. It contains B vitamins from yeast that help support metabolism. It is easier to digest due to fermentation process. It is satisfying and nourishing. The following are the example of Filipino bread. Our bread our tradition. Pan de coco, ensaimada, pan de sal, Spanish bread. Emone, pu2seko, kalihim. Cultural importance of local baked goods. It is part of celebrations and rituals. It is a symbol of hospitality and sharing. It preserves heritage and tradition. It supports local communities. And it is a sour of national pride.
This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Maylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.